Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a Popeyes Cajun Fries copycat recipe. For this recipe you'll need potatoes, club soda, Cajun seasoning, cornstarch, flour, and oil for frying. Begin by peeling the potatoes, then slice them into fries. As you slice them, place the fries in a bowl of cold water to retain the color. Once you have sliced all of the fries and they are submerged in the water, top the bowl off with some ice cubes. Let the fries rest in the ice bath for at least 15 minutes. Preheat the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit in a deep fryer. While the fries are in the ice bath and the oil heats up, whisk together the flour, cornstarch, and Cajun seasoning, and then stir in the club soda. Now drain the fries, dump them into the batter, and mix them all around until evenly coated. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients and step-by-step instructions and the full recipe link. Working in batches, fry the fries for 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Toss them around about halfway through to break them up a little bit and be sure they're getting crispy on all sides. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Remove them to a paper towel lined cookie sheet and season them with extra Cajun seasoning while they're still hot. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your copycat Popeyes Cajun Fries turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.